Add a progress bar in Microsoft Excel. Select the cell. First of all, let's write a formula that will calculate the percentage of the progress for us. So you can see the formula. Count if, select the cell range and the criteria. We are dividing by 10. So we now select this. So this gives us the percentage of the progress. Now select the cell, go to home, go to conditional formatting and select data bar, the one of your choice. Select the data bar of your choice. So that will be the progress bar for us. So click inside, go to conditional formatting, go to more rows, then change this to number, then this place is 1. You can now fill here. You can choose a gradient fill and click OK. So this will count and show the progress bar of the number of books read. This will track the number of books read, and you can see the progress bar tracking or showing the progress of the number of books read. So this is how you insert or how you add a progress bar in Microsoft Excel.